All right, all right. I'm not here to waste your time. I'm here to open your mind. And at the end of this, you're going to be mind blown by this. And I'm here to make you a big promise. You will get more clients after installing the client attraction system than ever, than anything you've done, than buying leads, than cold calling, than whatever. So if you don't want more clients, you might want to click off this video and not waste your time, neither our time. And another thing is, if you do not want to invest in your business or yourself, or you don't have any funding available for your business, you might want to click off this video. And again, don't waste nobody's time. But if you want to invest in your business, get more clients, and really get more clients, then listen right here. So we got a system. It's not rocket science. It's a system that's proven on and on to work for us and our clients and a lot of service providers that are looking to close high ticket services and products. Okay. It's really, really simple. We create these ads right here. It's very simple as far as process wise, but it's complicated when it comes to setting it up. Setting up the funnel, knowing what to have in there, what kind of qualifying questions, setting up the text messages, the emails that go out, having a Kinji client management software is crucial to making this actually work and make sure that you get the profit at the end. Okay. Now here's the problem. So this is why it's so hard for a lot of you guys. Okay. The reason it's hard is because there's overpriced programs, coaching programs, confusing strategies. People trying to confuse you. They're trying to throw big words like SEO, ROAS, and all these words to try to confuse you and make you pay a high ticket. There's too many gurus after COVID-19, so that's probably why you're thinking everything is the same. Everything might sound the same, but the experience is different when it comes to doing this. And really being collaborative with your marketing team is one of the biggest thing that I've seen people overlook. Okay. And many fake offers out there, many fake offers, overseas scams, you name it. Now, the solution is the client attraction system. We've been working on this for over a decade. So you're getting a pre-tested, battle-tested follow-ups and funnels that's going to really get you the clients you've been wanting and you've been looking to get. Look, this is a limited time offer. We're having 50% off the system right now. This is why I'm making this video literally at night just to show you guys that this is what you need to get clients from social media, from ads, all the way to a paid customers. We've done this multiple times. This is a live account right here. As you can see on this day right here. Let me zoom in a little bit on this day right here, May 27, which is yesterday, we got 97 opportunities. Okay. And we're getting appointments, right? And we're also getting closed deals every single day. If that's what you want to do, if you want to close more deals, if you want to get more booked appointments from advertisements, like this and get qualified leads that book meetings with you, go ahead and comfortably get this system, and we have a money back guarantee if you do not get the results. All right. I'll see you guys on the inside and be an action taker. Let's go.